Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best by Nature is probably one of the most sought-after skincare brands right now, and for good reason, as they offer a wide range of products that are not only effective but also formulated with natural ingredients, making them a popular choice for consumers looking for cleaner beauty options. Their commitment to sustainability and ethical sourcing further enhances their appeal, positioning them as a brand that aligns with conscious consumerism and delivers visible results. Number 5. Force of Nature Multi-Purpose Cleaner Starter Kit. Introducing a revolutionary way to clean your home. This powerful cleaner tackles tough messes using only natural ingredients. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals. Our EPA-registered formula is safe for your family and pets, providing a healthy clean. This versatile cleaner works on virtually any surface. It's your all-in-one solution for a sparkling home. Reduce waste with our reusable bottle and convenient refills. It's an eco-friendly choice for a cleaner planet. Not only does it clean, but it also disinfects and eliminates odors. Enjoy a truly fresh and hygienic living space. Just add water and a capsule to the reusable bottle, and you're ready to go. Experience the power of nature in every spray. What we like? This cleaner is your all-in-one solution for a spotless home. It's EPA registered and toxin-free, making it safe for your family and pets. If you're looking for a powerful yet gentle cleaner that tackles multiple tasks, this is the one for you. What people say. The product is well made and durable. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with any decor. It functions exactly as advertised, with no issues reported. Number 4. By Nature Vitamin C Plus Collagen Face Cream Cleanser. Discover a new way to cleanse your skin. Our unique formula gently removes makeup and impurities without stripping your skin's natural moisture. Experience the power of vitamin C and collagen. These key ingredients work together to brighten and rejuvenate your complexion with every wash. Make it a part of your daily routine. This facial wash is perfect for everyday use, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and revitalized. Sourced from the pristine landscapes of New Zealand. We bring you the best of nature for your skincare needs. Unveil a brighter, more radiant you. Our cleanser helps to even out skin tone and promote a healthy glow. It not only cleanses but also nourishes your skin. Enjoy a soft, supple feel after every use. What we like? Experience a radiant complexion with this cream cleanser. Infused with vitamin C and collagen, it effectively removes makeup while being gentle on your skin. If you desire a daily cleanser that nourishes and cleanses simultaneously, this is a perfect choice. What people say. This is the best organic product I have ever used. It is made with 100% natural ingredients and is free from harmful chemicals. The product is also cruelty-free and vegan. I love the packaging of this product. It is made from recycled materials and is fully biodegradable. The design is also very sleek and modern. The product is very effective and delivers on its promises. I have seen a significant improvement in my skin since using it. The texture is smooth and it absorbs quickly into the skin. Number 3. Back to Nature Classic Cream Sandwich Cookies. Indulge in the timeless taste of our classic cream sandwich cookies. Made with wholesome wheat flour, these cookies offer a delightful plant-based treat. Enjoy a snack that's good for you and the planet. Our cookies are proudly plant-based, ensuring a delicious experience without any animal products. We believe in simple, natural ingredients. That's why you won't find any high-fructose corn syrup or GMOs in these delightful cookies. Crafted with care, the base of our cookies is made from quality wheat flour. This provides a satisfying texture and a familiar, comforting flavor. Each pack contains 9 ounces of pure cookie bliss. It's the perfect size for sharing or enjoying all by yourself. Experience the simple, delicious flavors that only nature can provide. These cookies are a testament to our commitment to natural ingredients. What we like? Indulge in a timeless treat made with wholesome ingredients. These cookies are plant-based and free from high-fructose corn syrup, offering a classic taste you'll love. If you're seeking a delicious, guilt-free snack that appeals to everyone, these are a fantastic option. What people say. The product is very effective and works as described. I was impressed with the build quality and design of the product. The features are well implemented and enhance the user experience. Number 2. Back to Nature Peanut Butter Cream Sandwich Cookies. Introducing a seriously tasty snack from Back to Nature. These cookies are made with real ingredients like wheat flour and whole grains. We believe in using quality ingredients. That's why these cookies are crafted with wheat flour and whole grains for a wholesome treat. Get ready for a flavor explosion. These cookies deliver a seriously tasty experience that will satisfy your cravings. Enjoy a snack you can feel good about. They are made with non-GMO ingredients, ensuring a natural and wholesome choice. Each 5.5-ounce package is perfectly portioned for your snacking needs. Grab them for an on-the-go treat or an afternoon pick-me-up. Choose Back to Nature for snacks that are both delicious and made with real ingredients. It's a simple way to enjoy a satisfying treat. What we like. Satisfy your cravings with these seriously tasty sandwich cookies. Packed with real ingredients like whole grains and a rich peanut butter cream, they're a delightful snack. If you appreciate snacks made with quality ingredients and love the classic combination of peanut butter and cookie, you should grab these. What people say. The product is very effective and has a great design. The features are user-friendly and the build quality is excellent. It performs exceptionally well and is built to last. Number 1. Nature's Miracle Advanced Stain and Odor Eliminator Dog Spray. Dealing with stubborn pet messes? Our advanced formula is designed to break down tough stains and eliminate odors effectively. It's the perfect solution for those severe messes. Harnessing the power of enzymes, this spray penetrates deep to neutralize odors at their source. It works hard so you don't have to, ensuring a truly clean environment. Enjoy a fresh scent after cleaning, not the lingering smell of accidents. This formula leaves your home smelling pleasant and clean. Say goodbye to unpleasant pet odors. Formulated with dogs in mind, it's ideal for cleaning up after your canine companions. Trust it to handle everything from minor accidents to major cleanups. With a large 32-ounce bottle, you'll have plenty on hand for all your cleaning needs. It offers great value and long-lasting effectiveness for your home. Choose Nature's Miracle for a reliable and effective solution to pet stains and odors. It's the advanced care your home deserves. What we like. Tackle even the toughest pet messes with this advanced formula. Its enzymatic action breaks down stains and eliminates odors effectively. If you're a pet owner dealing with stubborn accidents, this powerful eliminator is designed to restore freshness to your home. What people say. The product is very effective and works as described. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with any decor. Features are user-friendly and easy to operate. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.